Imagine a world where cancer doesn't kill, where being diagnosed with cancer no longer means preparing for the worst, but instead learning how to live with a manageable chronic condition. That world may not be science fiction anymore. It may be just 5 to 10 years away. Thanks to groundbreaking advances in medicine and biotechnology, doctors and researchers are beginning to envision a new era of cancer care. One where the disease is no longer terminal for many, but something patients live with, just like diabetes or HIV. Dr. Maurie Markman, President of Medicine and Science at Cancer Treatment Centers of America, says it's time to change how we think about cancer. He and other experts are pushing for a new model that sees cancer not as a singular crisis, but as a long-term condition that can be monitored, managed and lived with. At the center of this shift is a new generation of treatments, led by personalized mRNA technology. Moderna's experimental cancer vaccine, called mRNA 4157, uses the same messenger RNA platform developed during the COVID-19 pandemic. But instead of targeting a virus, it teaches the immune system to recognize and destroy a patient's unique cancer mutations. In clinical trials, it's shown a 75% success rate in preventing recurrence of melanoma and lung cancer when combined with immunotherapy. Meanwhile, researchers at the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, or KAIST, have made headlines by identifying a molecular switch that can actually revert cancer cells to their normal state. Rather than destroying them with radiation or chemo, this approach essentially reprograms the cells, restoring them instead of killing them. For many oncologists, this is more than just exciting science. It's a glimpse into a future where the fight against cancer changes shape. Some cancers, like chronic leukemias, lymphomas and ovarian cancer, are already being managed over the long term. The American Cancer Society has noted that these forms of the disease can often be treated for years, allowing patients to live full lives with regular monitoring and therapy. Amy Selly, a certified oncology nurse practitioner at Alina Health, says the way we define survivorship is also evolving. More patients are living with cancer than dying from it, and they often continue treatment for years, functioning, thriving and adapting. The word survivor now includes people who aren't cured, but who are living well despite the disease. And it's not just about extending life, it's about improving it. Modern cancer therapies, including immunotherapies and targeted treatments, are far less toxic than traditional chemotherapy. They're more precise, more sustainable and better tailored to individual patients. Of course, some aggressive cancers, like pancreatic or brain cancer, remain especially challenging. But even there, research is accelerating. Between mRNA vaccines, molecular reprogramming and the broader science of life extension, the vision of a post-terminal cancer era is becoming clearer. As Dr. Savitri Skandan of Lehigh Valley Health Network put it, these treatments are changing the course of cancer and in many cases turning it into a chronic condition people can live with. So the day may soon come when hearing the words "you have cancer" no longer means the end of the story. It could simply mean the start of a new chapter, one that millions of people might live with, not die from. To stay up to date on the latest science and technology news, subscribe to Breaking Through News on the Newsbreak app on YouTube or at breakingthrough.com.